If you guys are having this issue, or if you are seeing this kind of error message, weak security message in your Wi-Fi connections, so that's most probably because of you are using a wrong encryption technique, and this might lead to a lot of cybersecurity issue. Like if someone is from the cybersecurity field, like they know that it's very easy it's very easy to crack the passwords of such encryption technique, which is on WPA and which is using TKIP. So it's better to go to the router and change this. In the settings, we first need to log in into our router page, and for that you need to know the IP address. So the IP address can be found from the router itself, or using CMD you can get the IP address. So the login, so you need to log in this page, and the login and the password, both of them is admin. It might differ from person to person, but for me it's admin and admin. So let me just enter into the login Wi-Fi, this one Wi-Fi page, and after this you need to go to the Wi-Fi setup. And so once you go to the Wi-Fi setup, you need to go to the Wi-Fi settings, and in the Wi-Fi setting you need to change this authentication type from w this to this. So we are kind of forcing our router to authenticate using this encryption protocol, and we need to change this encryption type to AES, which is more secure. And you need to do the same for 5 gigahertz as well. So you need to change this to double. Okay, it's already there, and we need to change this to AES, and you need to just save it. You just need to log out, and if you go to the settings, you will see that that warning message is not there. So this is how you can change the encryption technique, and like you guys can save yourself from all the cybersecurity attacks and all the password stealings that occurs in the world of cybersecurity. So I hope you found this video to be helpful. Just subscribe to my channel. Thank you.